Hello, I'm Alyssa Miner, and this is my grandma, and this is who I will be honoring for the honor walk. Without her, I wouldn't have been able to make it through college, and she's the main reason why I decided to be a accountant in the first place. So, here's your little token, and you're my honoree. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I will be giving my coin to my parents, Kyle and Jan Cornelius. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always loving and supporting me.
Hola, mi nombre es Welty Montoya y quiero dedicar esta moneda a mis papás, Gamaliel y Gabriela Montoya. Gracias por siempre estar a mi lado y siempre apoyarme en el deporte y en el estudio. Gracias por siempre estar ahí por mí y mis hermanas. Los quiero mucho.
I'd like to thank my mom and dad. Thank you for always supporting me and for encouraging me to pursue my passions. Thank you for being my biggest fans growing up. I appreciate all your sacrifices and how you always put Jack, Trevor, and I first. Thank you for always being there for me. I love you both.
I'm choosing to honor my mom and dad. I would not be half the person I am today without them. They've always encouraged me to go after my dreams, and I just cannot thank them enough for all their support over the years.
My name is Holly Rayner, and I am giving this token to Carolyn Suda in honor of David Suda. David Suda was one of my violin professors and a mentor to me. He helped me through a few difficult things that happened prior to meeting him, and he taught me that I can be a strong and resilient person. He also taught me to be an expressive and an intentional musician, and I will carry those lessons with me for the rest of my life. And I thank both you and David for those things.
I accept this in behalf of my husband with both sadness and with love, Holly. He thought the world of you. First, because of your violin playing and musicianship at a level way beyond a non-conservatory school, but mostly for who you are, your integrity, your warmth, your dedication. He knew you were going to be a great teacher. He was so glad he could be at your senior recital. So with love, I accept.
Hello, my name's Nathan Williams, and I would like to honor Dr. Robert Simmons. He has always helped me through the years. He's been tremendously helpful, even. He has given me so many opportunities and pushed me to be the best self that I can be. And I would like to take this opportunity to show my full gratitude and thank him for always being there for me.
Oh, yes. Debbie cleaned my desk just for you, didn't she? No way. Oh my gosh.
Yes. Open the box.
Just a token of my gratitude. Yes. Oh.
Regina Johnson, I want to honor you with this coin to let you know and let everyone know of your impact on my 4 years at Monmouth College. You have been my rock. You have been here to talk me off the ledge. You have been there to laugh with me, joke with me, to teach me, to educate me, to mentor me, and I appreciate you, and I want to honor you for your impact on me and my college career. Okay.
I'll be giving my Honor Rock coin to Coach Woodard. He has done so much for me while I've been here at Monmouth, whether that be track, academics, or just personal reasons. Thank you for always having my back and always believing in me when I don't always believe in myself.
Okay, so I wanted to offer you my honor medal, as you made an impact on my life and each as an honor.
Thank you. And I appreciate it.
Yeah.
More than you know.
I will be honoring my parents and my grandparents. Thank you all so much for supporting me in more ways than one these past 4 years.
All right. Dear Trudy, I really appreciate all you've done for me the past 4 years and inspiring me to be a comm major because I love it. So you're making me cry. Thank you. Thank you.
I didn't even show you.
I didn't even show. It's okay. All right. Thank you, Sarah.
I would like to thank Professor Tom Sargent and his family for helping me get through my college career. Last couple of years have been really enjoyable working with him and getting through my studies, sport, and being able to graduate with a college degree. So thank you to Professor Sargent and his family.
I'm giving this honor walk coin to my parents. Thank you guys so much for your constant love and support throughout my entire journey. I would not be where I am today without you guys. I seriously cannot thank you enough. So this one's for you. I love you.
Hi, my name's Savannah Franklin, and I want to give my honor coin to my mom, Jill, and my grandma, Rose. Two of the most supportive people in my life. I cannot thank them enough for being here for me every day, even from afar for the last 4 years from Colorado. I'm so appreciative to them. I'm so glad they're here with me now for graduation, but thank you. This is in honor of you guys and all the support and love you've given me every day. I love you both. Thank you, Mom and Grandma, and here's the next chapter of my life. Love you both. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aspen Chatterton, and this year for the honor walk, I wanted to honor my parents, A.B. and Penny Chatterton. They've just been a huge support system for me over the last 4 years, both encouraging me in the classroom and on the field, as well as just being willing to answer my phone calls at 11, 12 at night. So thank you guys so much for all your support, for pushing me towards Christ, and for really backing my education. Love you guys, and can't wait for the future. Bye.
I'd like to honor somebody who was a large reason of why I even came to Monmouth in the first place, and that's Coach Jonathan Welty. Thank you so much for everything, for teaching me, for joking with me, for being like a father figure while I'm not home. So I appreciate everything, and for teaching me everything in life and in running, and it's just been so amazing. Thank you, Coach Welty.
I'm choosing to honor my mom and dad. Thank you both so much for all of the support you've given me these last 4 years. I would not be the person I am today without both of you. I love you both so much. Thank you.
Because I couldn't choose just one, I would like to give my honor walk recognition to 5 faculty members that encouraged me to achieve my dreams. Laura Moore, my advisor and someone who pushed me to grow in and out of the classroom. Marnie Dugan, for inspiring me to be a better Pi-Phi every day and always having my back. Professor Engstrom, for believing in me as a future medical professional and motivating me towards my future endeavors. Dr. Wirtz, for fostering my love of psychology. And Brad Sturgeon, for making science fun while being a mentor and friend I will cherish forever.